assuming you're searching for Bitgert cost expectations figure for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Bitgert Brise will go from now on. We will dissect the previous costs of Bitgert Brise and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. However, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Bitgert is $2015 and Brise is right now positioned #558 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Bitgert is 395, 688, 215, 721 to 653 with a market cap of $59, 509, 688. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Bitgert's cost has shown a decent increment of 138% as of now. Bitgert is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Brise is down to nearly 102% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could serious areas of strength for have, however. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Bitgert cost expectations Brise gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Bitgert. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Brise coin which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Bitgert market cap, Bitgert volume and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Bitgert value forecast synopsis. Bitgert Brise is expected to arrive at a greatest cost of $2031 continuously 2025. With the ongoing cost of $2015, Bitgert holds its ground on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Bitgert in 2030 is supposed to be $1002, with likely change somewhere in the range of $1002 and $1002. Our Bitgert long-haul conjecture for 2050 recommends Brise possibly running somewhere in the range of $132 and $155. Bitgert Brise is determined to arrive at a typical cost of $213 toward the finish of 2040. Bitgert value forecast 2024. The cost of one Bitgert is supposed to reach at any rate level of $1018 in 2024. The Brise cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2021 with the typical cost of $2019 all through 2024. Bitgert value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Brise, in 2025 the cost of Bitgert is estimated to be at around a base worth of $11.25. The Bitgert value worth can arrive at a limit of $2031 with the typical exchanging worth of $2026 in USD. Brise value gauge for 2026. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2026 the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1038. The Brise cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $1044 with the typical exchanging cost of $1004. Bitgert Brise value forecast 2027. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $1056 in 2027. The Bitgert cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1066 with the typical exchanging cost of $1057 all through 2027. Bitgert value expectation 2028. Bitgert cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $10 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $95 with the typical gauge cost of $3. Bitgert value expectation 2029. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at least degree of $1001 in 2029. The Bitgert cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1001 with the typical cost of $1001 all through 2029. Bitgert Brise value forecast 2030. Bitgert cost is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Brise cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $2 with the typical figure cost of $2. Bitgert value gauge 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Brise, In 2031, the cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of dollars and $2. The Brise cost can arrive at a greatest degree of dollars and $3 with the typical exchanging cost of dollars and $3. Bitgert Brise Value Expectation 2032. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2032 the cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of dollars and $4. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of dollars and $4 with the typical worth of dollars and $4. Bitgert Value Forecast 2033. The cost of Bitgert is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of dollars and $5 in 2033. The Bitgert cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of dollars and $6 with the typical exchanging cost of dollars and $5 all through 2033. Bitgert Value Conjecture 2040. Looking at authentic execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the Estimate and Specialized Examination, in 2040 the cost of Bitgert is supposed to reach at least value worth of dollars and $97. The Brise cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of dollars and $116 with the typical worth of dollars and $13. Brise Value Conjecture for 2050. The reception and true use instances of a digital money are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with reasonable applications and broad reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Bitgert cost gauge for 2050, Brise is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $155 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Brise coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $132. While the typical cost of the Bitgert for 2050 is projected to be $139. Bitgert Value Figure Facts. How high might Bitgert at any point go? The typical cost of Bitgert Brise could go to $1019 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $3 mark. What amount does Bitgert cost in 2025? The cost of Bitgert will increment as additional financial backers engage in the task. In year 2025, Bitgert will be worth about a normal cost of $9,006. What amount will Bitgert be worth in 2030? As far as value, Bitgert has an exceptional potential to arrive at new levels. It is figured that Brise will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business investigators, Bitgert can stir things up around town cost of dollars and $2 till 2030. What will be the Brise most elevated estimate cost for 2024? The Brise cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of dollars and $1 toward the finish of 2024. Is Bitgert Brise a wise speculation? Bitgert's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general impact